and good day. I am ADRIANA binti SARIMAN from UR65240001. Currently, I am doing my internship at Accent International Sdn Bhd. Accent serves as a wing of an engineering design consulting firm. This company focuses in oil and gas at the upstream and downstream, petrochemical industries, renewable energy and energy efficiency. We have 6 disciplines in Accent, which is process, piping, instrument, electrical, mechanical, and civil and structure. Accent is a consultant company in Malaysia's oil and gas industry that established in 2011 with the intention to make a long-term difference and earn the trust of our partners and shareholders. This is the company details of Accent International, which consists of important details needed for the client or vendor to make a contact with our company. This is organizational chart of the company, which is all the staff were assigned to their respective roles, responsibilities and positions. All the departments are grouping in their related functions, with each must have lead engineer and play the important roles in making a planning of work. In each department, they have their own scope. I was assigned to the Process and Process Safety Department, which is the scope of work is to prepare the PNID, PFD, heat material balance, process adequacy check and analysis, hazardous area classification, hazard, and line sizing. The project that I'm mostly involved is Octopus Project, which is the Accent has appointed by Petronas Chemical Derivatives Sdn Bhd, hereinafter known as PCDSB, in order to conduct the EPCC for Derivative Octopus Project. PCDSB has proposed a flexi tank which offers improvement of lead time and lower cost to serve. Flexi tanks are made of polypropylene and polyethylene, which is high in strength, lightweight, that fit into 20-feet container and disposable after usage. This is the PNID drawing in Octopus Project, which is drawn in the AutoCAD. In project design basis, there have 2 types of fluid involved, which is polyethylene glycol and tergitol in P4T. Only 2 selected properties are important, which is density and viscosity. Each of the fluid have their specific value of flow rate, temperature and pressure. The pipe sizing calculation is a need to perform in order to determine the velocity and pressure drop. The input data of fluid is inserted from the existing value from the process design basis before starting the calculation. For the pipe size option, we use 3 different sizes of pipe in order to observe which of the pipe is suitable to use in the process. From the input data, the velocity and pressure drop are calculated. The 10 inches pipe are chosen because the velocity is much smaller than others. But why we don't choose 12 inches pipe? It is because we need to consider other factors too. One of them are the cost of the pipe. If we choose 12 inches pipe, it is much expensive than the 10 inches pipe, even though both are still working in suitable condition. This is the acceptance criteria in order to compare with the calculated velocity and pressure drop. This is help us to choose which is the suitable pipe size that can be used. HAZOP study, which is I have attended the HAZOP meeting that was conducted at Kertih Terengganu on 17 August 2023. The meeting was facilitated by HAZOP chairman, while the attendees to the meeting included engineers, managers, and operation personnel from Accent and PCDSB. The HAZOP are discussed from the highlighted note, which is new bottom loading line to flexi-bag. In this note, the condition have stated. Due to the HAZOP worksheet, there are 7 recommendations were proposed by the team. These recommendations are to be followed up by the nominated party and closed up as soon as possible. Most of the issues raised are about the flexi-bag. Due to the online meeting with the vendor, which is my flexi tank, they stated that their flexi bag only can withstand until 4 bar only. Due to our operating pressure, which is 10 bar, we need to vent the flexi bag by adding the pressure regulator and pressure safety valve for a safety. In conclusion, finishing my industrial training at the Accent helped me in the development and improvement of my knowledge and abilities. From my opinion, Accent is where I learn how to manage the work and develop confidence in my upcoming career. Aside from that, the work environment at the Accent has a wonderfully positive vibe and the teams are very friendly and kind. I appreciate and grateful to my supervisor and the teams for the opportunity and helpful guidance on every work that has been assigned. Last but not least, it will help me a lot in make the most of future opportunities and excel in my future professional journey. That's all for my industrial training experience video presentation. Thank you so much for listening and I hope you have a good day. Bye!